Dan Willis here, and we're talking about Progressive Financial Services and specifically how to negotiate a settlement for your Progressive collections. Now, first and foremost, you should only enter into negotiations for a settlement after you've requested account validation, and if your account was validated, then investigated the statute of limitations, which is the legal time period for which you're legally responsible for payment. So once you have a valid account, and if it's within the time frame, then you want to enter into negotiations. And first and foremost, please always negotiate to settle your account for much, much, much less than the total balance. For typically, you can settle your account from anywhere as low as 10% all the way up to 40%. For instance, if you have a $1,000 debt, you may be able to settle that for just 20% or $200. However, before you make payment, you must get Progressive Financial Services to agree that in exchange for your payment, they'll stop reporting your account information to all three of the credit bureaus. If you neglect to do this, you will get slapped. The only thing that'll change if you neglect to get this is the status of that collection listing on your credit report. It's going to be changed to a paid collection. A paid collection is not a good, positive credit building item to have on your credit report by any means. In fact, FICO, the company that actually calculates credit scores, says a collection listing can cause your credit score to drop by up to 100 points. Now, this next step is actually how we go about removing that information off of your credit report. So you have that agreement that Progressive Financial Services is going to stop reporting your account information in exchange for your payment. You've made your payment. Now you want to exercise some more of your rights, specifically protected and granted by the FCRA, the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And what this entitles you to do is to dispute and challenge any item on your credit report that you believe is questionable, inaccurate, or made in error. So naturally, we're going to dispute that Progressive Financial Services listing. You can file your dispute online, over the phone, or by mail. We recommend by mail, but don't have the time to share the full story here with that right this moment. But however you file your dispute, the Fair Credit Reporting Act also says the credit bureaus must investigate your dispute. So you're going to dispute the Progressive Financial Services listing. Once the credit bureaus get it and they find it valid, which is another conversation for another place, we have an article with the full story. We're going to include a link in the description below. We also have a free report available at our website, the 7 Proven Ways to Boost Your Credit Score. Sign up and you can get it all. But once they find your dispute valid, then they're going to investigate by contacting Progressive Financial Services and asking for them to verify your account information. As per your settlement agreement with Progressive Financial Services, they're not going to verify your account with the Credit Bureau investigation. And in accordance with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, any item on your credit report that cannot be verified by law must be removed from your credit report. And these negative entries, collections, charge-offs, foreclosures, repossessions, you name it. The negative information that's on your credit report is what's dragging down your credit score. That's the stuff that's damaging your credit score. The most effective way to improve your credit score is to clean up your credit report. Really, it's a lot like your GPA. If you have an F in underwater basket weaving, your grade point average is going to be messed up and screwed even if you have A's in all your other classes. It's the exact same way when it comes to your credit score. This is Dan Willis. We're going to include a link in the description below to an article for the full scoop on dealing with a Progressive Financial Services collection agency debt. And we also have a free report available there, the 7 Proven Ways to Boost Your Credit Score. Please subscribe and join our congregation. Have a terrific day and looking forward to talking to you again here soon.